The number of family farms in the United States continues to decline. New data out from USDA shows that in 1 year, from 2021 to 2022, USDA reported there were 9,350 fewer U.S. farm and ranch operations, with a total number in 2022 estimated at 2,002,700. Of those, over 50% had less than $10,000 in sales for the year. Total acreage in farmland decreased by nearly 2 million acres as well. The report noted that 41.2% of all farmland is now operated by farms or ranches with sales of $500,000 or more. The average farm size in 2022 was 446 acres, largely unchanged from earlier numbers. A driving factor in the decrease of U.S. farms is consolidation in agriculture and historic prices for farm and rangeland, enticing landowners to sell out, with the majority of those sales taking the land out of food production. Drought and winter kill from cold temperatures is playing a critical role in the development of the nation's winter wheat crop. USDA's weekly crop progress report shows that nationwide winter wheat was rated 26% good to excellent. That's down 1% from last week, and it's the lowest reading in over 30 years. But it's the poor to very poor condition ratings in major winter wheat producing states in the Midwest and South that have the most concerning numbers.
If we look at the individual states, we continue to focus on those Great Plains states, led by Oklahoma this week, 63% very poor to poor. Kansas, the number one production state, close behind, 62%. And then Texas, 55% very poor to poor. Nebraska, 42%. Colorado, 39%.
Now looking closer to our region, where Wyoming's winter wheat is currently rated 40% poor to very poor, 48% fair, 11% good, and 1% excellent. But a trend that we've previously discussed is the further north and east one looks, the condition of the winter wheat crop improves dramatically. Montana is just seeing 4% of the crop rated poor, 58% fair, 37% good, and 1% excellent. In the way it's shaping up, northern producing winter wheat states like Montana have a good shot at seeing a good harvest with some decent prices, with all the quality issues in the south.